Hi there, crafters. It's Michelle from Creative Mayhem. I wanted to do a finished project. Yay! This is my first square. I love it. It's so cute. I think my daughter's gonna love it. I have some framing ideas for it, and I will definitely do a video. Hopefully, my idea will work and she'll like it. But I think it's beautiful. She's really into Japanese art and also anime. And the colors, she has like green tones in her room, and just redid her room. So I think this will work perfectly. Um, I have not rolled it yet. I wanted to see how that whole process will go. I don't have any popping drills that I can feel. I was really concerned about it because this is a Huacan. Now, I did purchase it in 2019. I know the end of 2018, they had a drill issue where some of the square drills were different sizes. Some of them were cupped on the bottom, and so when you lay them down, they would pop up. I don't have any of that I can tell, but I was also very careful with drill placement, and I was very picky because I knew that other people had those problems, and so I thought, you know what, if I run out, I will contact them. Luckily, I did not. And I didn't have a whole lot of trash with this either, so I could tell that there was definitely a difference in size in the drills. My first instinct, and I do not know if this is 100% what happened, but my first instinct was that I could definitely tell some of the drills had issues, but most did not. So I'm just wondering if they had like a stock of those old drills that had issues and they mixed it in with some new, knowing that they give you an overage. Now, I have no confirmation of that. I don't know if that's what happened, but that kind of put me in the mind of that because there definitely were like two different types of drills in certain colors. Colors that I did notice that with that had a lot more trash than normal was that definitely the 310s. I had a lot of those. I had 2,986 drills, and I noticed that in that one. And then also one of the cream colors. I think it was probably I think it was one of the cream colors, but I'm not sure. Maybe 819, that I noticed a lot of trash in with, but not necessarily the different size drills. So let me show you this up close. It's so pretty. If you can see how it sparkles. Oh, it shines. It's so cute. I think she's really gonna like it. I'm gonna take off the adhesive on the side. Get that off of there, and I may do a treatment on the edge before I mount it. I did see someone had mentioned someone doing like an altered art type border. I think I'm going to do something similar to that, but more on a simple side. So I have some ideas around in my head. I'm not sure if I'm going to use Lily's canvas as a guinea pig because it is for her room. This is her last year at home full time, so I do want to get it hung as soon as I can for her so she can, look at it and have it in her room. So I may not try it with this one. I am working on another 30 by 40, which I have about half completed, that I may go ahead and do that with. But I just love it. Absolutely love it. I was really worried because, like I said, that whole drill issue. I cannot recommend 100% buying from Huacan because of the drill issue, and I don't know if it's something that's solved. This could just be a one-off thing. So, the best thing I can do is just buyer beware. They do have good prices. They do have good images. I was happy with the canvas. I was happy with most of the drills. But, there's a lot of other people that have had issues with there. So I would just say, be careful, use caution. I do have some tips and tricks that maybe I can do a video on if you guys are interested in. Let me know down below in the comments. I did have a few tricks that I did to deal with the issues of the different size drills. I can certainly do a video on that, but it did help me in getting this completed. I was determined to get it completed because it was a gift from my daughter. And if I want to be 100% honest, if it wasn't a gift for her and I knew how much she liked it and wanted it, I may not have tried, my best to find those tips and tricks. I may have just said, you know what, this is for relaxation. This shouldn't be a job. This shouldn't be this taxing. But, let me know if you're like me and you have a canvas that you think might be workable, but you don't know where to start or what to do. Because you definitely have to be in the right mindset. I shouldn't say good, but definitely have to be in the mindset of wanting to work on it, because there's better quality drills out there. There's better quality canvases. Definitely, for sure. So let me know if you're interested in that, and I'd be happy to shoot a video, but I wanted to come on here and just show you the finished product. I'm really happy with it. I would be even more happy had I not had to really work on a couple of the colors of the drills. But there's nothing popping, and that's what I was worried about. Like, I don't even feel anything coming up, when I move my hands over it. So that's really good. And I've been flexing this around, trying to, work on the drills and try to get them to come off, but I don't have any, so that's good. I'm really happy about that. So I will go ahead and close this video for now. I have some drills I need to get in my storage system, and I want to pack up another one and get it started. So if you like this video, thumbs up for more. This is my review on the Huacan Japanese Girl. It's a 30 by 40, and I got it off at AliExpress. I'll have all the details down at the bottom. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.